Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing some carrot juice. So here are my carrots and I'm going to be peeling and cut and blend. So here you want to cut your carrots, the tip off the carrots like so. I'm using here 12 large carrots. Here I'm just scraping my carrots with my vegetable peeler. Here I'm using my carrot juice making my carrot juice with the Nama juicer. So now I'm going to sweeten my carrot juice, and I'm using some sweetened condensed milk. I'm adding a kind of Guinness stout, and also I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon of vanilla. Stout. I add my sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to stir